Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuanfo Afia Schwarzenegger na okase na okyerese Vice President Dr. Bawumia on Chesika and side chicks. Vice President Dr. Bawumia on your man Penida da Mahama anyway you use man in Prafo. Aden Afia can say Afia na oye na life. And any say Afia Schwarzenegger ever supported NPP. No reasons until the best supported NPP not one. NPP party na ba and then Jankafo and Yafumba etimi ako school for free. Afia etrese education hu hiano because ono ohwe Jankafo e mofra da chi hiano tie na ebe kaya Afia Schwarzenegger no ye NDC ni a wa campaign dia man pani dada Mahamada but ohwe man pani dada Mahama ne nsem bi oka enyem bi oye 24-hour economy ngukobu kitikiti enya de man pani dada Mahama ebe bu aga na ni badisi bia enya de oba na ga na ni bia enya so faso nti Afia Schwarzenegger se watena se wuze no free SHS are his excellence na don kwakufu ado de buy no a good policy so ohwe nyanka na mofra future hu hia ne de obe to ma NPP nyese NPP party no pedasem anemu mpanifu bi na emu policy a NPP for de ba no eboa oman no nti Afia etrese o ye good citizen a odo oman Ghana ni emu mofra na ope oman ni future ye nti obe support NPP and I think it's her decision. Ubia be ya Afia Schwarzenegger no oye ya na so onye odai tamo support NDC no se muhu no ada na mwanya ya no one thing na mente ase o support NDC we support NPP why are you forcing me to come and vote for your party o force me se mbeto mama so de betuma na me yare nti me meto mama hama but I don't have any problem with you say wo to ama obampenda da mahama it's your choice. All instincts na catch us over Penda da Mahama be president ebebo fine. My instinct tells me say no NPP a good party. All policies are good. Ebu enyafo, ebu esikafo. So meto ma NPP. What is your problem? I will be support NPP a. Na mo aba ni imbosin ebedi that time. Mudi ya tem ye dum be ka se ye buade. O support NDC a support NDC. Don't have any problem with someone support NDC for no. You support the NPP, you may support the NPP because they be in the NPP for ye. They be a make NPP party no. Name one policies in your party no. Because both NPP, NDC, omina corrupt, omina convoy, politician, unti niti. But so I be sika no be impuntu juma no mind enya so faso de. I think say ka do be sika odi be ye juma nkeye. Na do be sika edi bi achicha member na o mo fanya hwe no. Wo miere a mo ti asa chinchire nkoto ma o ma peda da mahami me se metu baba hama me yare wo so tuma vice president offense say Dr. Bawumia also be yare me force was beto ma Bawumia na yare e na wo so me force me na me nkoto ma hama na me yare Afia Schwarzenegger etrese on don't support the party teachers come member. Na didn't that Afia can say, oh, yeah, live, and will become a comment. Na Afia Schwarzenegger say, and the be also say, may your live and I'm watching men this is made my teva, and Miss Mary reply, NPP4 and Jessica and Ma side chicks. You think Afia Schwarzenegger at the Etuya.
First, I'm a whole time power, me and this if we're and I'm a whole time power. But no, to say, I'm here. Why am yo? Sekede radia. Oremi zono tremi kwaya. Nyame busi amuni. Eradia yemi yo. Ekenyera. Oh. I show the NDC phone anymore. Yes, come the side checks. I show the invasion from my
information. We are saying
high target. No.
Hey, and I just about me. I found. Shall you break in the Bara? de na akonya no. Libra king
I
ya.
had a mama from our had dear. No place. I had dear. Kawa for the Tujawa anyway. Kawa for that. The Tujawa anyway until I had him sermon. Mo fam when you say a seminar. Mo fam ko baby a moka ebe ha wo and yeah, because I have more the bar. Every answer that will come from this angle will make a headline and make you cry too. I think I'm making the reply behind the Bemamo Ibiano, it will make you headlines. And it will make you cry too. And a Befamo campaign in Honsoka Krapa. Auntie, don't bring it here. Don't brought it here. Don't brought it here. Manon a song. Ain't I did this crackers here. And also one strap till I did free. Omun edi musical side chicks.
NDC for who?
Don't try. Don't try it. Don't try it. Munim dia 24 hour NPP for ya for na yenim. Yenim san NPP for ya for pa. Yenim. San yenim so say muso mo ya for.
Esu.
Mo ya tutu bottom for.
Esu tell them.
Yenim pa san NPP for ya for. Na mo so mo ya tutu bottom for.
Eno ano no.
Kojo bonso. Scanner the Kumasi Watchery Park and Mungo Bizan say, lights no the two can first one a hot time power, median this if watching, and I'm a hot time power. But no to say, I'm me. Why am yo? Second Radia. Second Radia. Or am is no try me choir. Nyame busia munye Erati ayemi yo Ekenyera Oh I show the NDC phone anymore Omune yes come the side checks I show the invasion from my
information wo we ase
high target no
hey I just about me afa o Sha Libra king dia bara
Papa or your truthful or your lie. The young farmer Mahamo catch you also no na you dwen funu. No dwen funu mo medi yeso. Onipa sebi predia so wo be di president ye di cocaine efa baby ono nko na efa edi kogu o man animu ase internationally. Obi a won kodi cocoa farmers animu keke amajero no wakoji ska wakoji bride amenu nti House of Commons ye wo UK ni yabo ni din wom sa wo ye kronfo ena no stone boy ne sa akode no kobo O2 ye pepepa e de ye ni mu aboho ye pe ba bia ye de ye poster bebo na ma akwaje the whole front row e de afa say Airbus corruption officer 1 sa akode no mu abo nyom e pese ye promote e wo UK na nke ye de beko UK for newspaper mu no ye duru ho ye say John Mahama beji front page na kon fan page ye kura won fan say ye nyunyam Mahama kwaji front page sika waje 5 million euros and a waje 5 million euros and a waje ntino ye the number front page Stoneboy no do I say your former president has taken front page so you people have to wait. Oh, mama yentia na munyi ni free wa RSU debi case we a big case former president pa president ya udi abeshe sadi we me sell chin bibia last na me ni o connection bi o NDC ni mu entu ni me say omo ba obenya baby I said that is all. It's not about Ghana. Forget it, you can't lie to me. Me see who read the green book no NDC for green book no green book na Kevin Taylor de no so who read the green book ni wie who do road sector kekepo na o kind road ni wie na se wo NDC for be fie no man krama ye nche si o ma oboa chairman wini mu bi wo NDC ni mu na wini so nipa kona ba obenya ba bi ahye enti na wo fight for that enye Ghana kanko because it was book of lies ekwan we aye ye be kona ni ho and I pension for farmers ye ko ye ni ho Oh, when I hear crying, the pharmacy buy ye call ya in your mobile money interoperability. NDC for ne one more person more catch it say woman at diabana ya no more. Me listen. No, I'm like this. They should not even be deep. In 2016, we used to send money to Ghana. In 2016, we used to send money to Ghana. Who send the West? Any part he grab when I know mukra mobile phones are sebi. Omu to me the diska. Any part he. Na mu kwatina ADB Western Union Hall ho. O kwatina ho. Na what can say si camera. Ne sika kakra na ye de bre wo no. What sign the bia fata e de akofie. Wanu ye udenti. Wotina trotro no mu na ne. Yes, Achimo. Yes, meat spine. Yeah. Yari dia so dia wa na watobi na dia siwa no. Chinchinga obewe. Enti sika kakra wo fa. O boyfriend. Uni pebi de Sunday no. Wedding ka bomu kura ansa na wudu fie. This was in 2016. Stop lying, Ghanaians. That is why politicians take us for cheap. Because we condone their stupidity for them to lie to us. In 2016, now we could mobile money. To me send no kwa. Mumu bi mo de ka ko jamo ayisika ko jaka ne e dia komukurom e dia komansa be sabe mo nananom. Ye ka say NDC for nya sa mobile money interoperability we. Almost on mobile gi ahe $1.2 billion. That was what they were going to charge for mobile money interoperability. Over 4 billion Ghana cedis. Over 4 billion Ghana cedis just to get MTN to transfer money to Tigo to transfer to Airtel. Keke. That is all. And this is what they wanted to charge us. And then yeah, no man online yeah start here 2016 na me send this guy say ni say into go say go for no chrome ni. What the hell is happening? Omo say go for no kra no omu nim de omo ye. Because Nimpefe said that was not the case in 2016. You know, you are aware. You are very much aware. Says I didn't know in 2016. And so, and then my hammer bedroom also on the buy. Now, what Ghana near what to what 2016? Well, who said the any because Pim Sado down Kwaku for to be the idea. Was what Mahama the any on the coffee buy? And your bayi. And your bayi. Seriously, and your bayi. One casa Camilla catcher me. Because I remember 2016, we used to send money to Ghana. And we know how you guys were receiving it. We know. Just say, Adia Bia MPP de Bebia, Omobe Quentia. Nebo Madia ye pet, and this in the buy. Cha, Ebio, me Chiremu no Biatiasia. Passengers on the Ayalolo bus were using a contactless card to pay for their fares as early as 2016. Me pacho, last me bisa question we say Ayalolo no effectively no ran it for how many years? And sana ye grounded some of the buses. First and foremost, I did a piloting. Yes, Munkoto 80 buses. Munim how many buses are NDC for Kotoye? Omukoto over 100 buses. Close to 200 buses na NDC for Kotoye. Said the Ebeya Womobeti Chubu. Said the Ebeya Womobeti Chubu. That is what they did. Also, they could top up MTN Momo or from authorized vendors. Ayalolo bus was successfully closed down by this government. First and foremost, Ayalolo bus didn't get closed down by this government because as far back as 2016, people were already complaining, saying this process was not properly thought through. Traffic near there na Ayalolo also. The fact said na sebe system one mu use so no for only 3 lines. All right. The operational cost of Ayalolo was too much than what they were gaining. Obia oni munyansa and obeye adwuma na waboka. So wo ka kire me say Ayalolo bus no a free no past 5 ekosi 8 a.m. there a busy name boom from 10 to a number 4 na nkrofo be pon no esi okwa de na e man you know anti bus no totally just you see this is the difference with NDC and NPP. NDC don't think and they think say